Cute Easter Bunny DIY number 1. So I have taken some cardstock paper and a horizontal sign. I am sketching a bunny sign here. I place my horizontal sign to find the position and sketch out a face. It's like an flower bird or an big egg shape. And then 2 ears. I'm using some color pens, some crayons to do some coloring, making the face, the ears, some shadings. And also the paws of my bunny. Just two in number. The more I add colors, it looks cuter and prettier. I also painted my sign. I used simple words in simple block letters, Happy Easter, and used happy colors to color the sign, bright and cheerful. My video today is part of the Hello Spring DIY playlist being hosted by Tammy from the Rusted Willow, Ellie from DIY from House to Home, and guest host Shannon's Crafty DIYs. So I'll put links to all the three channels and to the playlist down in my description box. So once my bunny and painting part was over, I cut the pieces out, the bunny head and the two paws and the sign. And I'm going to glue the sign on the bottom part of the face and then put the two paws in front so it gives a good depth 3D effect to the whole sign. And for the bunny tail, this is a tassel I made for a project sometime back. I had dismantled the project and I had the tassels with me. I'm going to stick it to the bottom of the sign to form the tail of the bunny. Now just add a string at the back or a hook and it's ready to be a pretty, adorable, cute bunny Easter sign or a bunny Easter door hanger. My second DIY is another bunny sign or a bunny door hanger. I took cardstock paper in brown and I'm cutting a shape out of it. We learned from our mistakes. I used a wider punching machine and didn't like the position of the holes, so I have cut the bottom, slightly rounded it. Then I'm taking the single hole punching machine and punching two holes close to each other at the towards the bottom part of this shape, bit triangular or egg, something. Then I want to make some bunny ears, and I'm using wire tags and folding them to form two loops, putting them together at the back and sticking with a paper tape. Turn it over, and this is the facing side of my bunny sign. I'm going to make long bunny legs. So I'm using some jute string, putting them through the holes that I made in the bottom. And on either side, I'm going to put one bead and tie a knot so that the bead doesn't fall off. So when I hang my bunny, the legs are going to dangle long rabbit legs. I love googly eyes. They look so cute. They look so funny. So I add two googly eyes for the eyes and some loose threads that I had already at hand, yarn, white yarn, something like that. And this is going to be the whiskers of my bunny, and then a little pink button to form the nose or the mouth of the bunny. Then I'm using a little crochet flower that I have with the pink center right in the center of the bunny, and this looks really cute. Now this is a step I could have done before, or even if I do it now it's fine. I'm using a dark brown color pen and doing some shadings on the edge, first giving a big edging to the whole shape and then doing some shading to give it a little bit of rustic or aged look. Basically, a little shading makes a 2D shape stand out like 3D, more prominent. And this is sweet, cute bunny sign, and you can use it as a door hanger too. Finally, this is a cute idea. I am using a silk scarf of mine. You can even use any dinner napkin. Use a bigger size napkin for this basically. I'm just folding it to form the triangular shape. Diagonally, I folded it roughly into a triangle and I'm rolling it from the tip of the triangle towards the base of the triangle. Roll it tightly, fold it into half, and I'm using elastic band to tie it a little above the center. Now you can adjust where your elastic band should be. You can put an Easter egg or a chocolate egg in the center if you want to use it as a dinner napkin, dinner table setting. Otherwise, I am using this little plastic bowl. Now if I place it at the correct side, the upside up, one can fill it with some sweet treats for Easter, Easter chocolate eggs, or any kind of treat you want. Or if you want to give it pure decorative look, I'm going to place the cup upside down. Now you have to adjust the scarf to make it look like ears on the top. Now once it's upside down, I'm using big size googly eyes. Bigger the better. I'm going to stick them and then using a color pen, sketching some eyebrows, a nose and a mouth And it's a cute decor for any table. Just place it anywhere, it will sure add a little smile. Thank you so much, everybody, for being with me for all these crafts, and I hope you enjoyed and will make for sure, for they're too easy to make. Enjoy crafting. Have a blessed day.